right. Hello? Test. Okay. I think that's still working. Oh, the microphone's just not showing up very well. All right. So, been modeling and texturing work today of these backwards. So, I want to make the elevator wooden panel. Oh, those do almost match up. So, I just kind of quickly put on some floating tiles on the top, and it does kind of match. And these woods, maybe. I think I need to make the elevator smaller. It's interesting with some size stuff where I also want to lower the ceiling too. It's just too big. But yeah, we're sticking into the waiting station. I've changed the lighting now that these are all interactive. I should throw one on the ship while I'm thinking about it. I don't think it's going to travel with me. No, it won't travel with me because it's attached to this. That's why it won't work. So, yeah, now I'm just these things aren't exactly right, though I like the shape, but I think I'm going to make everything a meter shorter because it's just too wide. But been playing with textures. I actually had some issues with my teleporting that I had to go fix, and been kind of playing with some textures. And I kind of like this, but if I want to do a cartoony kind of thing, it isn't going to match that. So either maybe I do something like this, or I do something like this that maybe looks like that. So I got to still play around with that. And yeah, God, and it's just again, I was just kind of screwing around with this shag carpet, but man, it's almost close. You just get rid of the little bit of the line or something like that, and I think it would just work. Though I want to make this kind of like a rubber pad, just kind of like a simple rubber pad around, and then kind of like maybe even a concrete floor under that. Like I want stuff to look kind of cheap. So we're there, and adding some glass. Actually, the ship kind of doing some things, kind of making a ship. Is it still too? I felt like it was too small. Now I wonder if it's too big. Again, shrinking that ceiling. I'll do that tomorrow. But yeah, I pull away from the station. It's still tilting a little bit and going into the station, and some hard turns and things as well. Obviously, I'm going to add some doors. I want like the elevator to close like after you get off, and then this there when you get on. Close this and airlock. I think it kind of as a gag, I want to put around as airlocks that you can twist open and then just it throws you outside, which I think would be funny. But yeah, just still. Oh, the chair did come with us. That's fascinating. Oh, well, there it goes. And I have some crack there. I don't understand. Everything's on a grid now, and yet there's a crack over there. So I don't get it. And then we'll have the Space Burger, which we'll go to. And yeah, wow, that little bit of that lighting. God, see that dynamic lighting? I was trying to use this stuff that was trying to bake it in, and there's no way that's going to work. And then there's the little station just flying around. But yeah, it's a little busy today. But was able to put a little bit of time in, which I'm okay about that. It's nice to put a full day and stuff in. This stuff kind of really wears me out too. But yeah, got a little bit done, so I'm kind of happy about that. Let's see here. Those high ceilings are now bothering me like crazy. And then we'd go, and then it'd be nice, like have kind of like a docking thing kind of go on, and then go right into the restaurant, and then you'll start flipping burgers. I don't want to put like a trash can. I was thinking of this great idea too. Was that It'd be nice to find like almost like a fly with like a space helmet on, so you have like trash and then like space flies flying around it. I might do that. So yeah, like I want to make space kind of yeah. It's almost Jetsonsy or whatever, where it's like kind of like Earth. But yeah. All right. Well, hopefully all this recorded, and see you tomorrow.